Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with them and outside your circle. In one of my previous videos, I showed you guys how to make this amazing beautiful dress with the Sentro knitting machine. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove waste yarn. So guys, this is how I always remove my waste yarn. I'm going to get my intro in now and get right in. Now guys, we're going to finish off our ends, so we don't want our yarn to be losing or anything, so we're going to finish it off. So we're finishing off our waist yarn basically. I'm going to now create a slip knot, and then I'm going to go to the first stitch right there. So we're basically working on these stitches that are above the white right there. Can you see? That's why I used a different color so that you guys can see it. Now these black stitches are what we're going to be working on. So I'm going to insert my hook in the first stitch right there. I'm now going to take my slip knot and pull it out from there, and then I'm going to start making a single crochet all around it. And then I'm going to move to the next stitch above the white yarn basically, and I'm going to make a single crochet in that stitch. So insert it just like I'm doing, make a single crochet. So a single crochet is basically you insert, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over and pull through the two stitches. But also make sure your stitches are not tight. So it's better for it to not be too tight. Make sure it's loose, and so that you can be able to work with it and it's not too tight on your body. You can walk freely in it. So I'm going to continue like this till I get to the end of this row.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it.
Now can you guys see what it looks like? I'm going to chain one, cut my yarn, and then pull it out. Now after doing that, you're now going to loosen that knot that we did when we were using the machine. Loosen that knot, and then it will be easy for you guys to remove your waste yarn basically. Now again, I'm going to tie my two black yarns together just for security purposes. Tie it like 3 times so that it can be really tight, and then we're going to start removing our waste yarn. So I'm going to do the same process of removing my waste yarn for the other side.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the
And now guys, this is what it looks like. This is what my dress is looking like. This is how the perfect finish is going to be. Just do this for every waist yarn part that you have on your piece, and then you're going to have clean finishes on both edges. So for the dresses I always make with my Sentro knitting machine, this is the amazing method I always use to have clean finishes at the top and at the bottom, and basically to also avoid rolls at the top and at the bottom so that you don't lose any measurements. And guys, that's all I have for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment in the comment section if you have any questions, join as a member, like this video, share within and outside your circle, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.